She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell so you never miss when I post a new video. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I know my bangs are all in my face, but that's just because I just finished styling my hair so I can show you guys how I diffuse it. I've asked you guys like twice already on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should go ahead and do that. I will have the link in the description box. But I asked you guys twice already, would you like to see how I diffuse my hair? I think it's pretty simple, but you guys want to see it, so I'm definitely going to show it to you. All right, so before I diffuse, I went ahead, I cleaned my hair with the Grow Wash by As I Am. That's all I used to clean it. I washed that out, and then I put in this Korea Botanicals leave-in. This leave-in is absolutely the truth. It is like one of my top leave-ins right now. It's amazing, and it's specifically made for high porosity hair, so like I really mess with that. And then I use the Eco Gold Gel, and if you guys want to see my review on this bad boy, it should be up soon if it's not already up, so keep a lookout for that. Now I'm just going to show you guys my diffuser and show you guys the process of me diffusing while simultaneously stretching my hair so I get big first day hair. So the diffuser that I'm using is just a blow dryer. It's the Conair Infinity with a diffuser attachment. You can get this pretty much anywhere, but mine came with my blow dryer. But if you guys want to know basically where I got it from and where you can get it, I will have it linked in the description box so you guys can check that out. So when I diffuse, I'm never like mushing my curls or crushing my curls. I'm just going in where the ends are and just lightly pushing my hair up. And I'm moving it in all different directions. This is going to help give my hair more body later. So I'm just, you know, if you see me doing this, don't think I'm like crushing my curls. I'm not. Another thing that I forgot to mention, I don't know, I guess when you just do something enough, you forget like the little tiny details, is basically that there are controls. I usually have the power set on high, and then I have it on hot. You can do warm, it's gonna take longer, or you can do cool, and that's gonna take forever. I wouldn't recommend cool, but you can do warm definitely and still get the job done. But if you want it the fastest, I use it on hot. I'm just being real with you. Do as you see fit. Alright, so I would say my hair is about 85 to 95% dry, and it is around this time where I start actually stretching. So before I was pretty much just scrunching my hair into the diffuser to help it dry, but now that it's mostly dry, I'm actually going to begin stretching it so that it can be longer and elongated and give me more volume, give me that pop-in day 3-ish hair on day 1, you know what I'm saying? You can also do this by the banding method, which I have a video on that and I will have it linked above. If you don't want to use heat, just be cautious of using heat on your hair. Don't give your hair more than what it can handle, but my hair can handle it, so this is what I do. my hair looks like after I finish diffusing it. It still has definition. Another thing that I forgot to mention is do not rake through your curls. You are not trying to ruin the curl pattern. You're not trying to make it a blow dry look. So I never go through my ends. So I may stretch at the roots, but I'm not going through my ends because it'll disrupt my curls. That's like a big one. You can mess your hair all up by doing that. I don't recommend it unless that's the look you're going for, you know, no judgment here. These are the results that I get, and I get them every time. If you guys have any suggestions for videos you want to see, don't forget to comment that down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.